Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Let's continue diving into the incredible capabilities of the no-code platform Questflow. Today, we're going to break down one of its most powerful and impressive features, integrating AI avatars right inside your Telegram bots. On the screen, you can see our visual drag-and-drop builder and the avatar block. This block works in tandem with the cutting-edge HeyGen neural network. The way it works is brilliantly simple. We feed it text, select a pre-made video template, and the system automatically generates a highly realistic video with a talking character. Let's see how to set this up from scratch. First things first, we need to connect Questflow to your HeyGen account via API. To do this, go to the main Questflow menu, open the settings section, and find the input field for the HeyGen Avatar API key. You only need to enter this key once, and it will work across all your quizzes and bots. So, where do we get it? Let's head over to the HeyGen dashboard. In the bottom left corner, open the Settings tab, and then go to the API section for developers. Click the Create API Key button. Let's name it something like Test23. Select the developer role and hit Save. Now simply copy the generated key. Switch back to Questflow. Paste our copied key into the corresponding field and click Save, followed by Verify key. The synchronization process might take about a minute. This is completely normal because Questflow is currently pulling a database of over 1,200 public avatars available in HeyGen. But using public avatars is only half the story. It's much more exciting to use your own unique templates. And now I'll show you how to create such a template and link it to our blog. Open HeyGen again and go to the home page. We need the AI Studio section. This is where we'll build our video template. Choose the avatar you want. You can use the ready-made ones, upload your own photo, or choose from thousands of options. Adjust the screen format, select the right voice, and pick the generation engine. Note that even the free third generation engine delivers excellent, highly realistic quality. And now, for the most important part, a crucial technical detail without which nothing will work. In the text input field, the script box, you need to write a specific variable. Make sure to write the word script inside curly braces, exactly like this. A script. It is precisely in place of this word that Questflow will dynamically insert your generated text. Save this video as a template by clicking Save as Template and give it a clear name, like Test. Back to our Questflow scenario. Now, in the settings of the avatar block, our newly created template will appear in the drop-down list of templates. Let's select it. So, how can you monetize this? Let's look at a real, highly profitable use case that is especially relevant around the holidays. The automated sale of personalized video greetings, for example, from Santa Claus. Imagine this. You run some ads and a customer lands in your bot. First, we set up a payment block, collecting money entirely on autopilot. As soon as the payment goes through, the data input block triggers, where we ask the parent for the child's name, age, and maybe their hobbies. This data is instantly passed to the artificial intelligence block. In seconds, the AI writes a unique, touching, and highly personalized greeting. And for the grand finale, this text is sent straight to our configured avatar block, featuring the Santa Claus template. Voila! You have a fully automated pipeline. The person paid, entered the details, and the bot independently generated and sent out a personalized video greeting. And all of this is built visually, without a single line of code, thanks to the power of Questflow. Build, automate, and monetize your ideas with ease.